everyone. Welcome to Bruhan Mumbai Municipal Corporation's Virtual Training Center, and I am Mrs. Nehal Kodambe, your English teacher from VTC. Let's begin with today's session.
Hi everyone, welcome to today's session. Dear children, in today's session we are going to introduce ourselves with one act play. See, in standard 7 we have learned different types of lessons, that is prose, passages and poems, right? But today we are going to enjoy one drama. What is that drama? Drama, natak in Marathi we call. But this is a one act play. One act, ek anki natak. See, you must have seen some of the dramas, or you must have acted in the dramas which are played by you in your schools, right? Sometimes we have that competitions in our school, and we do take part in those competitions, in those dramas, and we play different types of roles. So in today's session we are going to enjoy one act play is written by a very famous writer. So let's begin with this drama or one act play, and gradually you will come to know who has written this and what fun is hiding in this. So let's begin with today's session. So today's one act play is written by, who is he? You must have seen this picture. You know this great personality. Yes, you are right. He is Gurudev Rabindranath Tagore. Gurudev Rabindranath Tagore was a great writer, musician and thinker. He is known for his songs, poems, novels, short stories, plays, etc. So he has done ample of work. Okay, so he is very well known. He is very famous for his songs, his poems, novels, short stories, plays, etc. So he in literature, this is a great personality, a well-known personality. The welcome. In today's session, we are going to learn this one act play, and the title of this play is The Welcome. The Welcome is a funny one act play in which a young man wants to tell the people in his village that he has passed MA. Okay, so this is the central idea or the theme of this drama. But whenever he comes and he tells them that he has passed MA, but how these people react over this, that we are going to enjoy in this one act play, The Welcome. So let's begin with our today's one act play, The Welcome. So here comes scene first. Okay, in one act play there are many scenes. बघा, जनरली आपण जेव्हा नाटक बघतो ते एक अंकी, दोन अंकी किंवा तीन अंकी असतं. म्हणजे एक अंक झाल्यानंतर पडदा पडतो. एक अंक म्हणजे एक पार्ट. ओके, आणि मग थोडंसं त्याच्यामध्ये इंटरमिशन असतं, मध्यांतर असतं, इंटरवल असतं, आणि मग दुसरा भाग किंवा दुसरा अंक सुरू होतो, आणि काही वेळेला तिसरा अंक पण असतो. पण वन ऍक्ट प्ले किंवा एक अंकी नाटक म्हणजे काय, की ज्याच्यामध्ये एकच भाग असतो आणि डिफरंट सीन्स असतात. प्रवेश किंवा त्याला आपण वेगवेगळे सीन्स म्हणतो. सो अकॉर्डिंगली वी विल एन्जॉय दिस वन ऍक्ट प्ले. कळलं तुम्हाला? ड्रामा थिएटर मध्ये जे आपण काही वेळेला आपण पिक्चर बघतो, बरोबर आहे, मूवीज बघतो, तर काही वेळेला नाटक असतं. आपल्या शाळांमध्ये सुद्धा बघा वेगवेगळ्या कॉम्पिटिशन्स असतात नाटकाच्या, आणि त्याच्यात आपण भाग घेतो. मग आपण वेगवेगळे रोल्स प्ले करतो त्याच्यामध्ये, त्याला आपण नाटक म्हणतो. तर तसं हे एक अंकी नाटक म्हणजे वन ऍक्ट प्ले. ह्याच्यामध्ये एकच भाग असतो आणि त्याच्यामध्ये डिफरंट सीन्स असतात. सो वी विल बिगिन विथ द scene first. So what is the situation? What is the plot? This is a village road there, and Chaturbhuj Babu has come back to the village after passing his MA examination, hoping that Everyone will make a great fuss over him. There is a plump Afghan cat with him. So this is the plot, or this is the first scene where the Chaturbhuj Babu has come back to his village after passing his MA examination. So he has passed over his MA examination. MA means Master of Arts. And when he returns to his village, he has that great hope in his mind that everyone in his village will make a great fuss over him. What is a fuss? What is the meaning of fuss? Here fuss means everyone will give him a lot of respect, or everyone will praise him, everyone will pay attention to him. So that's what he has picture in his mind. And with this imagination, with this all his mind thought, he enters in his village. Okay, and along with him he has a plump Afghan cat. Afghan, that is a species of that cat, and plump is very fat cat. He has a fat cat with him. And as soon as he enters in his village, he meets the first person, that is Nilratan. बघा असं आहे आपलं नाटकाचं असं एक थीम आहे की चतुर्भुज बाबू जो मेन यामधला नायक म्हणतो आपण, मेन कॅरेक्टर आहे, तो MA पास करून त्याच्या गावामध्ये परत येतो. आणि तो जेव्हा येतो तेव्हा त्याला असं असतं की अरे वा, मी MA एक्झाम पास करून आलोय, मी खूप शिकून आलोय, आणि आता माझ्या गावामध्ये माझं केवढं मोठं स्वागत होणार आहे, सगळेजण खूप मला रिस्पेक्टफुली बघणार आहेत, माझं कौतुक करणार आहेत आणि माझी वाहवा करणार आहेत, असं डोक्यात ठेवून तो गावामध्ये येतो. मग काय होतं बघूया. When he comes in his village, first man he meets with him, you can see here he is a Nilratan. So what does he say? Hello. Hello there, Chatur Babu. When did you arrive? He says, directly after the MA exams were over. Now see here, he welcomes him. This is Nilratan and this is Chaturbhuj. So he calls him Chatur Babu. बघा कलकत्त्यामध्ये अशी एक पद्धत असते की जे शिकलेले लोक असतात, जे ऑफिसर्स असतात, जे अधिकारी असतात, त्यांना बाबू म्हटलं जातं. सो ही कॉल्स हिम बाबू. हेलो देअर चतुर बाबू, व्हेन डिड यू अराइव? सो ही आन्सर्स, डायरेक्टली आफ्टर द MA एक्झाम्स वर ओव्हर. मग त्याचं उत्तर काय बघा की आफ्टर MA, डायरेक्टली माझी MA ची परीक्षा झाली आणि मी इथे आलो, आणि तो काहीतरी बोलायला जातो, आय is interrupted by Nilratan. Ah, you have got a fine cat there. Look at his eyes. What is he looking at? He is looking at his cat. Ah, you have got a fine cat there. But here Chatur Babu, he continues with his MA. He says this year the exams were very, तो त्याला सांगायला जातो यावर्षी जरा एक्झाम कशी होती. बट नीलरतन, he is least interested. What does he say? He is more interested in his cats and not in his MA exams. He continues asking question about that cat. He asks him, tell me, where did you find that cat? Then what does he say? Chaturbhuj says, bought it. I have bought it. मी विकत घेतली ती. But he continues with his MA exams. The subject I had offered, त्याला MA बद्दल कोणीतरी मला विचारावं, मी काहीतरी सांगावं असं खूप वाटत असतं. तो मांजराबद्दल विचारत असतो आणि हा आपल्या MA च्या एक्झाम बद्दल सांगत असतो. MA ला कुठले सब्जेक्ट घेतले हे त्याला सांगायचं असतं. The subject I had offered. Nilratan, he doesn't want to listen about his MA exam and MA result and MA subject. He asked him about his cats. How much did you pay for it? तो जेव्हा म्हणतो मी ही विकत घेतली तेव्हा तो त्याला काय विचारतो? How much did you pay for it? तू किती रुपयाला विकत घेतली? किती किंमत मोजली त्याला? Then Chaturbhuj gets angry. Now he is not interested in answering his questions about cats. He says, I don't remember. Nilratan Babu, has anybody passed any exams in our village? तो म्हणतो मला काय आठवत नाही याला मी किती पैसे दिले, पण मला एक सांग की आपल्या गावामध्ये कोणी कधी एखादी परीक्षा पास केलेली तुला आठवत आहे का? नाउ व्हॉट वॉज हिज आन्सर? Says, oh, lots of them. But you won't see a cat like that in these parts. Look at Neil Ratan's reactions. He says, oh, lots of them. So many are there who has passed the exams. But thing is that you won't see a cat like that in these parts. You won't see such type of cat in this part. This is something different. We have many cats, but they are typical village cats, or they are the local cats. You can find it anywhere, but the cat which you have is a special cat. You won't see cat like that in these parts. He is more interested in his cat. तो सांगतो खूप जणांनी परीक्षा पास केली आहे, पण तुझ्याकडे जी कॅट आहे तशी कॅट इथे कोणाचकडे नाहीये किंवा बघायला पण मिळत नाही. Then नीलरतन talks to himself. तो स्वतःशीच काय बोलतो? Confound him. He can't talk about anything but the cat. It doesn't seem to matter that I have just passed my MA. तो स्वतःशीच बोलायला लागतो. Confound him. Confound means what? He is very angry and he wants to say with some anger to this man. That confound him means words to show, words to use to show his anger. तो स्वतःशीच पुटपुटायला लागतो. ह्याला मी तर काहीतरी रागाने बोलू का? ह्याला मांजरीचं पडलंय. मी एवढा मस्त MA ची एक्झाम पास करून आलो, त्याचं ह्याला काहीच नाही. Confound him. He can't talk about anything but the cat. It doesn't seem to matter that I have just passed my MA. तो आता चिडला. And by the time they were talking, one more man enters there. Who is he? He is the Zamindar, a very rich man from that village. And as soon as he sees Chaturbhuj, he asks him, Ah, Chaturbhuj, what have you been doing in Calcutta all this time? Where were you? What were you doing in Calcutta all this time? So he feels better. At least Zamindar is asking about me. Where was I? What was I doing in Calcutta? He says, I have just finished my MA, sir. तो त्याला विचारतो, काय चतुर्भुज काय करत होता कलकत्तामध्ये एवढी वर्ष? तो म्हणतो की सर मी आत्ताच MA पास करून आलो. त्याला थोडस बरं वाटतं की कोणीतरी मला विचारलं. And that look at what even Zamindar is talking about. He says, oh, this cat of yours is a stunner. Stunner, very beautiful. I must say, why don't you drop by my place with your cat sometime this evening? The boys would be delighted. Now look at the Zamindar. First of all, he inquired about Chaturbhuj, and now after that, again the same topic Chaturbhuj has to answer. He says, Zamindar asked him, why don't you drop by my place with your cat sometime this evening? The boys would be delighted. तो त्याला सांगतो की संध्याकाळी तू हे मांजर घेऊन माझ्या घरी ये. काय सुंदर मांजर आहे तुझ्याकडे. माझ्या मुलांना हे मांजर बघून खूप आनंद होईल. But Chaturbhuj, what does he say? He says, of course, I quite understand. They haven't seen me for a long time. त्याला वाटतं तो त्याला बोलवतोय. तो म्हणतो हा मला समजू शकतो. मी खूप दिवस झाले तुमच्या घरी आलो नाही ना. मुलांनी मला खूप दिवसामध्ये पाहिलं पण नाहीये. Of course, I quite understand. They haven't seen me for a long time. Then Zamindar says, yes, I suppose so. But what I mean is, even if you can't come yourself, send Benny round with the cat. I want the boys to see it. Zamindar is not interested in inviting Chaturbhuj to his home. He is only interested in showing that cat to his children. He says, Yes, I suppose. Yes, I know that my children have not seen him you so long. But what I mean to say is that even if you can't manage to come by yourself, send Benny round with the cat. I want the boys to see it. He says, तो म्हणतो तुला जर जमलं नाही तर ठीक आहे, पण तू बेनीला ही मांजर घेऊन पाठव, कारण मला माझ्या मुलांना ही मांजर दाखवायची. आता हे ऐकल्यानंतर त्याला आणखीन राग येणार की नाही बघा. ही वॉन्ट्स टू टेल अबाउट हिज Amy's success. He wants to share that news with each and everyone, but everyone is interested in knowing about his cat. And by the time Zamindar says this and he gets exist and new character enters in the play. Who's that? He is Uncle Satu, and he asks him, "How are you, my boy? Been away a long time, haven't you?" Then Chaturbhuj says, "That's right. There were so many examinations. Whoever meets him, Chaturbhuj is interested in talking about, in telling about his examination, and the people are more interested in his cat." So whenever Uncle Satu asks him, "How are you, my boy? Been away a long time, haven't you?" कसा आहेस तू बाळा? किती दिवस झाले, खूप वर्ष झाली, किंवा मध्ये खूप असा काळ गेला की तुला पाहिलं नाही, तू दूर होतास घरापासून. Then Chaturbhuj says, "Yes, that's right, Uncle Satu. There were so many examinations." हो, मी घरापासून दूर होतो कारण परीक्षा देत होतो. And while talking, while conversing to each other, Uncle Satu, what does he see? He says, he looks at his cat and he says, "That cat of yours." Now, as soon as he opened his mouth to talk about his cat, Chaturbhuj got very furious. He got very angry, and angrily he says, "I'm going home." And he is about to leave. त्याला आता कळलं अंकल सातू पण आता काय करणार आहेत, या मांजराबद्दलच बोलणार आहे. तो म्हणतो, मांजराला राग येतो, मी आता घरी जातो. "आय एम गोइंग होम." देन अंकल सेज, "Hey, wait a minute. This cat." Uncle wants to continue with the topic of that cat. He says, he asks him to wait. "Hey, wait a minute. This cat." But Chaturbhuj is very angry now. He says, "No, sir. I have got work to do." तो म्हणतो, आता he is not interested in talking about his cat. तो म्हणतो, नाही नाही, मला थोडं काम आहे, मला जाऊ दे घरी. But Uncle Satu is not going to stop. He says, "Oh, come on, boy. Now answer a civil question. This cat." And by the time Chaturbhuj is so angry, he strides away without another word. He is very angry. He goes away without saying a word. Then Uncle Satu, he is not happy with his act. He says, "Just look at that. It's education that's ruining these young people. We know what they are worth, but they are stuffed full of conceit." ते म्हणतात, बघा बघा, हे शिक्षण आहे ना, या मुलांना असं बिघडवतंय. ह्यांना काही आहे का जरा तरी मॅनर्स? मी एवढा बोलतोय पण हा सरळ निघून गेला. वी नो दॅट what they are worth, but they are stuffed full of conceit. Conceit means very very proud of themselves. किती गर्विष्ठ आहेत ही मुलं. हे शिक्षणामुळे हे असे गर्विष्ठ झालेत. आम्हाला माहिती आहे यांची काय किंमत आहे, पण ह्यांना आहे का बघा माणसांची किंमत जरा. Now Uncle Satu is very angry, but Chaturbhuj is not there to listen what he says. And by the time Chaturbhuj reaches to his home, when their maid, she looks at him, she comes to know that he is very angry. So she calls over to his mother and says, "Mother, Dada Babu has come home in a blazing temper. He is very angry." Then mother asks, "Why? What's the matter?" She says, I don't know. त्यांची जी मेड असते, घरामध्ये जी हाऊस हेल्प असते, ती म्हणते, मदर मदर कम हिअर. दादा बाबू हॅज कम होम इन अ ब्लेझिंग टेम्पर. ब्लेझिंग टेम्पर इज व्हेरी अँग्री. Then mother doesn't know why he is angry. आता तर घरी येतो आणि एवढा रागावलाय का? Why? What's the matter? काय झालं चिडायला? She says, I don't know. Time he has entered in his house. All have gathered, you can see there. And a small boy from his family, he asks him, Dada, can I have this cat? Even the small children are very fond of pets, right? But Chaturbhuj is very angry. He says, cat, 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 the whole day long. Is it? Now he is very angry. He slaps him hard. Angrily he slaps him one and he says, cat, 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 the whole day long. Is it? नुसतं कॅट 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 दिवसभर मी हेच ऐकतोय. तो चिडतो आणि त्याला एक देतो लगावून. And now what does his mother says? After this, how his mother reacts? No wonder the poor boy is angry. He comes home after such a long time, and this brat start annoying him at once. Then she looks at the Chaturbhuj and she says, let me have the cat, son. I'll give it some rice and milk that I have put by. So what Chaturbhuj feels? Oh, okay, at least mother is with me. But when he comes to know that even mother is more interested in cat than me, he gets more angry and he says, here, mother, you can have the cat and feed it all you want. I shan't stop to eat. I'm living at once. सुरुवातीला त्याला वाटतं की चला आई तरी आपल्या बाजूनी आहे. पण जेव्हा आई सांगते की ती मांजर मला दे, मी तिला दूध भात भरवते, त्याला आणखीन राग येतो. तो म्हणतो, घे ही मांजर घे आणि भरव तिला. मी आता एक सेकंद पण इकडे थांबणार नाही. मी आत्ताच्या आत्ता हे घर सोडून जातो. आय एम लिव्हिंग ॲट वन्स. ही इज व्हेरी अँग्री. देन when mother comes to know Chaturbhuj is even angry with her, she gets sad. And in complaining voice, she asks him, what makes you say such a thing? Your meal is ready and waiting, dear. You can sit down to eat as soon as you have had your bath. She says, why are you so angry? Why are you saying such thing of leaving the house? Your meal is ready and waiting you, dear. We all are waiting for you. You go and have your bath. Then you can sit down to have your meal. She says, ती म्हणते, अरे तू काय एवढा चिडचिड करतो? हे बघ, तू आंघोळ करून ये. तुझं पण जेवण रेडी आहे. तू आंघोळ कर आणि जेवायला बस. He is very angry now. He is not in mood to listen to his mother also. He says, no, I'm leaving. You are all crazy about cats in these parts. No one cares for men of worth. And he kicks out at the cat. तो म्हणतो, नाही नाही, मला आता जायचंच आहे. तुम्हाला सगळ्यांना इथे मांजराबद्दल खूप क्युरिओसिटी आहे. माणसांचं काही नाहीये, तुम्हाला माणसांची जरा पण किंमत नाही. नो, आय एम लिव्हिंग. आणि तो मांजराला किक करतो. बट then his aunt is not happy with his action and she says, don't hurt the cat. She hasn't done any harm. Why are you hurting the cat? तिने काय केलंय? Don't hurt the cat. Chaturbhuj gets more angry. When it comes to a cat, you are all hurt. But you have no pity for human beings. तो म्हणतो, मांजराबद्दल तुम्हाला सगळ्यांना दया आहे. पण तुम्हाला माणसांबद्दल काहीच दया नाहीये. And he exit from there. तो तिथून निघून जातो. Chaturbhuj has come out and he is leaving his village with a bag in his hand, and there he meets with the next character from the play. He is Sadhu Charan and he is asking him, sir, where is that cat of yours? Now see here, even he is not bothered that where again he is leaving for, and he is bothered about the cats. He is asking him, sir, where is that cat of yours? Now he gets more angry. First of all, in his anger, he has left the home, and again one more man is asking about his cat. So he says, it's dead. तो त्याला विचारतो साधुचरण, सर तुमची कॅट कुठे आहे? त्याला काही पडलं नाही, अरे आताच हा चतुर्भुज आला, परत बॅग घेऊन कुठे निघाला असं विचारावं असं त्याला वाटलं, पण तो त्याला विचारतो तुमची कॅट कुठे? त्याला एवढा राग येतो, तो म्हणतो इट्स डेड, मेली ती. नाउ the साधुचरण reacts on his answer. How sad. How did it happen? I don't know. तो म्हणतो आई ग, फारच वाईट झालं, असं कसं झालं? तो म्हणतो मला नाही माहित. He is very angry. I don't know. In meantime, one more person, he meets him. He is Paran. Paran asks him, hello, what's happened to your cat? काय झालं तुमच्या मांजरीला? It's dead. The same answer. It's dead. Then says, no, really? How? The same way all of you will die. He is so angry, see. By swinging at the end of a rope. तो एवढा चिडलाय ना, तो काय म्हणतो? The same way all of you will die. By swinging at the end of a rope. कशी मेली मांजर? काय झालं? तो एवढा चिडलाय ना, तो म्हणतो तुम्ही सगळे पण असेच मरणार. By swinging at the end of the rope. He is so angry. And how does the Paran reacts on that? He says that the same way all of you will die. Paran says, good God, he is positively furious. तो म्हणतो अरे बाबा देवा, he is positively furious. He is very, very furious. He is a very strange man. And both of them, they exist. And after that, when he is leaving the village, here the swarm of urchins run after Chaturbhuj and they tease him, pussycat, 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 pussycat. तो जेव्हा गाव सोडून जातो, गावातली सगळी मुलं त्याच्या मागे लागतात आणि त्याला चिडवतात. Pussycat, 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 pussycat. And here ends this one act play. So in this way, dear children, in today's session, we have enjoyed this one act play written by great Gurudev Rabindranath Tagore. I hope you have enjoyed this. Now you watch this video and find out the characters from this play. And you read many more books written by Gurudev Tagore. So that's all for today.
That's all for today. So you will revise whatever we have learned in today's session. Please subscribe the channel and press the notification button to get the link of next video. Bye bye.